put an exhaust on the Jeep. It's finally been running. Finally been registered. Pass smog. Shout out to my mechanics. My boy Wilbur. My boy Felix. Beast guys, eh? So I'll keep you guys posted right now. I'm on my way to Morgan Hill. See if I can find an exhaust shop to put the new exhaust. I'll be putting the new cherry pump. So hopefully it sounds bad. The other thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build some mix firing. We'll see what happens. Keep you guys posted. This is my Jeep. As you can hear the little rumbling. See. So this is what we're gonna fix. I don't know if that guy's there or not. We're going to go over there to that shop. So yeah, so that's what we're fixing. Can't stand the exhaust. I like the backfires, pero tiene que arreglar esa madre. Mira. But let's see if he's there. We can fix that issue, because everybody looks when you're backfiring. They're like, what's going on? Who's going there? Who's shooting? Pero ahorita nos miramos. Vamos a ver qué pasa. So far, no tengo suerte. No luck right now. So I already went to 2 muffler shops and they're closed. Puras fallas. Vamos a ver dónde nos lleva y la aventura de buscar un muffler shop. Nos miramos. No más. Car wash time, mira. Watsonville. And looks like we found a muffler shop. Let's see. Just waiting right now to go in. And no more backfiring.
Mira, el Butan por ahí atorado, ¿será?
Y sí. So the Jeep's done. Sounds really quiet. Sounds pretty cool actually. You know, runs a little bit smoother. Check it out. The new cherry bump. That's some fucked up welds. There it is. Well, I think that's gonna be a wrap for today. I'll maybe continue tomorrow, but we'll see what we do the rest of the day. Keep you guys posted.